Hey, I'm gonna show y'all how I tie my laces on my skates. There are a bunch of different ways you can do it, but this is just how I like to do it. So I'm gonna take them out first, and I will lace up one skate so you can see what I do. I don't know, I'm thinking I want to get a different color, but what else goes with red? I kind of have some McDonald's vibes going, the red and yellow, so I want to switch that. All right, first, take your one lace and cut it in half, fold it in half. So this part is going to be at the very front of your skates. And actually, I just remembered that I want to put on my butterfly wings, so I'm gonna go grab them real quick. Haha! Thank you to my girl, Christine, for these babies. I still haven't put them on my skates after like a few months, but now is the time I'm gonna actually put them on. I feel like that's a good spot. I don't know. Okay. So back to putting the lace on. Go ahead and put that through. So the way I do it is I put the laces down, right? So I don't go up on the first hole. I go down. So both of these first holes, I'm putting the lace down. And then I'll show you what it looks like after I pull it. These laces are kind of old, so they're weirdly discolored and kind of bent, but it's fine. So, it should look like this. The fabric is going over the first two, like that. Right now, I'm gonna start crisscrossing. Right, so the side that is on my right, I'm going to take that and put it under the next hole on the left. I'm gonna take this one and put it under. So right now there is one piece that goes over, and then this crisscross goes under. So after this crisscross that goes underneath the fabric, the rest of the crisscrosses are gonna go over, all right? So it's gonna look like this. I'll just start with the right lace and I'll keep going. So go over the next hole on the left and pull it. All right, now I'm going to skip one and go over the next one on the right. Yes. Skip one, go over. And, oh, I almost forgot about my butterfly wings. I think I can just start them here. Yeah, that works. All right, so now for the wing, I'm gonna go over the first hole and keep going. Actually, I messed that up. I gotta skip one. I'm failing at this. No, just kidding, I'm not failing. But you gotta focus, because if you're gonna do one string at a time, you have to make sure that you skip and do every other hole. Right, so I'm gonna skip that one and do the second one. Go over and under. All right, skip this one. Over and under. Skip that one. Ugh. Okay. So, after I'm done with one side, that shoelace should be on the inside of the skate, not the outside. All right, so let's do the next one. I'm gonna crisscross over the right. Some people don't care which one is crossed over, but I like to have them look uniform. So I like to cross, on both of my skates, I like to cross the left one over the right, like this. So the tricky part comes, right there you can see it. So the tricky part comes when you are going underneath the fabric. Yes, so we just put this one over. Okay, so now we have to go under the next shoelace. So under that, and then over and down into the next thing. I don't know, what are these called? What are the holes called? Do they have a name? So as you can see, both of these are going left over right. Let's keep going. Now we can do that first butterfly hole. And it's left over right. We have to go under the next shoelace so we can keep that left over right pattern, and over. And over the last butterfly hole. All right, last one. Go under that shoelace and over and down through the last hole. Right. So both of the laces now should be on the inside of the skates. That's where they should end. All right, let's make sure that each one is going right over left. I think it's right. Right over left. Or I guess left over right. Oh, yeah. So let's see. Left over right, left over right, left over right, left over right. Yes, we made it. It looks sloppy because, like I said, these laces are old. When you get new laces, it's going to look really beautiful. So now I'm going to put the skate on to show you how I lace up here. All right, so I'm going to tighten all of the laces from toe to the ankle. Make sure it is snug. Now, when I get to my ankles, this is where I leave a little bit of wiggle room. So what I do is I skip the first hook and I go to the second hook. Right, and then bring it forward, and then I cross them, I go behind my ankle, and then go back to the front, and then I tie a knot a little bit higher. So I'm going to tie the knot after like 1, 2, 3 hooks, and I'm going to tie the knot up here. And let's make it a double knot. And there you have it. That is how I lace up my skates when I am ready to dance or go to the rink or go to a trail. Also, I want to say thank you everybody for subscribing. I just noticed that I am up to 50 subscribers now, so that's super exciting. I have a nice large room filled with people who like what I have to say, or they at least want to hear more. So thanks for sticking around, and if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do that. I am going to be posting more roller skating content soon.